It's a common belief that patterns exist in this universe, and many naturally occurring phenomena can be explained in terms of patterns and principles. Throughout the history, humans have sought out to understand these patterns and uncover the mystery of the world around us. I will give you few examples. Seasons. The change of seasons is a pattern defined by the tilt of Earth as it revolves around the sun. Then we have the pattern of ocean tides affected by the gravity of the moon. The economic cycles, the recession, rise and fall of the economy happens in a pattern. Data science is a field that is closely tied to the analysis and identification of patterns. It's an interdisciplinary field that combines mathematics, statistics, computer science and some domain knowledge to find out meaningful insights and relationship between data. And this process involves different techniques like data mining, machine learning and statistical analysis. And by applying these techniques, it will give you the superpower to predict things. For example, financial forecasting, in which you can predict the stock market trends, when a stock will rise, when it will fall, commodity prices and currency exchange rates. Similarly, we can predict demand for a product, when the demand will increase, when it will decrease, and the seasonal patterns which affects the demand of the product. Other applications include disaster management using predictions, climatic forecast, fraud detection by understanding the anomalies in the usage pattern of a particular service. These are only very few examples. The actual implementation field of data science is very vast. And if you combine data science with full stack web development, the potential will be enormous. You will be getting proficiency in web development technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, languages such as Python, its backend frameworks, front-end frameworks. Overall, you will be able to represent the data science model that you have created in a very user-friendly web interface. Using the data visualization tools implemented in a web application, you will present this data to the user in a very easy to understand fashion. The combination of these two domains, full stack development and data science, can indeed be a very high valued skill as per the current industry requirement. So join us for our full stack Python web development and data science engineering course and secure yourself a future-proof IT career.